That pull like a 250. Yeah? Yeah. Now your cousin work on it, man. I don't want them, man. You see timing chain and then quick, you know, and then jump off quick, brother. Yeah. Yeah man, yeah. The timing chain I go run it, brother. Yeah. Yeah. Fire, come on.
Right up.
Yeah, man.
You ready to?
Oh, you? Yeah. The bubble butt. Oh shit, my visor is so freaking, my visor I want to wipe out, I can't even close it. But anyways guys, we're there in half a street square in the morning, yeah. And if you go buy one patty, just for me I buy a patty. Shit, cause if me I take 6 miles go over. And then I'm sure I go back up, so. You know, say it don't make sense me take 6 miles go over. Cause longer, it makes sense me just go back up, so. Yeah, just I'll go up so back. Now, but I take 6 miles go over. my lines. I'm ready to go up, so. Jeez. Come over no man. It's a bombard. Bombard. Machine. Kinda nervous. I'm shaking as frig, bro. Yeah guys, so an update. The MT. I no longer have the MT, guys. Look, you can see me in the camera. Yeah guys, sorry, sad to say. Mama outside for her scooter. That's nice. She needs a helmet though, bro. Yeah, so sad to say I no longer have the MT, guys. So you won't be seeing videos any, you know. Well, I haven't had the MT for the longest while, but you know, I really don't have it now. So, sad to say, guys, you will not be seeing any new videos from the MT. Well, if you see videos with me on the MT, they're old videos, because I have content that I recorded. It's just random content and thing. So if you see those are old. That's how we do it, man. Yeah. So if you see content, it's old. Yeah, it's sad that I bought the MT, and you know, I didn't get much time with it, honestly. You know, watch on the panic phone. Watch them boy how we are turn, so you know, yeah, you have to watch them. And then we come round before they're supposed to. But yeah guys, I no longer have the MT. Leave me alone. So for all those who's been asking where the MT at, it ain't here no more, man. Whenever you come to a stop like this, always check, especially the vehicle that's coming behind you. Best thing here, I have a mirror. See that vehicle? Alright, him stop. Good. So we are okay. We're not safe, but we're okay. Yeah. So I hope that you guys stick with me, because I don't have a bike right now. I'm laughing because, you know, it's funny. And murder. And murder. Hey boss, use a pedestrian crossing, please. Freaking hell you doing, man? You need to use a pedestrian crossing. If anything happens to you and you're not on the crossing, you're in big trouble, boy. Yeah. Yeah, so as I was saying, I hope you guys stick with me. I will still be making content, you know, just like nothing happened. It's just that the bike you guys want to see, you won't see anymore. That's how it is, guys. That's just how it is, man. I am thinking about buying back a bike, not right now, but I'm thinking about buying back a small bike, maybe a brand new one maybe, and then probably give it away, you know, do like a raffle or something like that, you know. Yeah, because I actually wanted to do that with the bike that I had. The bike that I had before, the white one, I actually wanted to do like a giveaway. I didn't want to sell that bike. I wanted to do like a giveaway, something. You know? Let's go. Yeah. So that's that, guys. Go buy a patty place, go buy one patty. Oh, down low, oh my, oh, down low. Say to me what you want. Yep. Oh, freaking hell, man. Camera wasn't. Okay, so I got me my patty and I'm about to go. My Krabby Patty. Drop off the bike, yeah, and thing. So yeah, guys, me just did do a quick vlog telling us I no longer have the MT, so that's that. Yeah, so you won't be seeing any videos on the MT anymore, man. Yeah, so yeah, it is what it is, man. I just flip the switch. Flip. Woo, that's balance, bro. Y'all need balance. Y'all need oh, pothole. I'm gonna go place it in the normal take off my helmet, you know, because it's a big hassle. We just use this van for like cover. Yeah. I don't normally take off my helmet because it's a big hassle to like take it off and then put it on, but I have to fix my mask and, you know. Yo, me just say, oh, come little baby I drive, you know. Yeah, let's stop, man. Yeah, so for some of you who think say me I leave bike life, I am not leaving bike life, bro. I cannot leave bike life. You know, I just sold my bikes because, you know, me I go for something different this time. You know, after me get what I want, buy back a bike. Simple, simple, simple. No, you know, wheelie. Hi, pretty girl.